welcome to my channel. Today we are making a spoon rest. I'm using a prepared slab of clay on the wheel. First, I'm using a wet sponge to compress the slab. This helps remove any air bubbles and makes the clay more workable. Next, use a needle pin to trim off the uneven edges of the slab. This ensures a clean, uniform shape. Remove any excess clay from the wheel. Continue using the wet sponge to compress the slab, making it firm and smoothing the edges. I'm using a wooden rib tool to compress the slab further, then smooth the edges again with the wet sponge. Now, take a wooden knife tool and gently pull up the edge of the slab to form a plate rim. With a sponge on the inside and a wooden rib on the outside, compress the rim to make it firm and well defined. Continue compressing the plate floor, ensuring it's even and steady. Use the sponge to refine the rim and walls, perfecting the shape of the plate. Now, take a slip trailer with colored slip and apply it to the plate. Use a brush to create a wave pattern on the surface. Refine the pattern with the brush, making sure it looks just right. Using your fingers, flatten part of the rim to create a holder for the spoon. Refine the shape with a wooden tool and a sponge to ensure it's smooth and functional. finally, remove the spoon rest from the wheel. And there you have it. Your handmade spoon rest is complete. Thanks for watching.